lies that you were never to see me. You tore down my walls. I can't believe I'm here, you took everything away. How could you understand me at all? All I have right now is my pride and faith, 'cause it's too late.